Hey everybody, I'm back doing some more spheres. We're talking about getting the answers in exact form as well as rounded to the nearest tenth. So volume it is, we have a diameter right here of 24. I know it's a diameter because it's pointing to the entirety from all the way from one side to the other through the center. So otherwise, if it was a radius, it would just be pointing from the center to the outside. So we're going to use our formula. First thing we should do, write that out. The volume of a sphere is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And that's how I like to write it. So since we know that 24 is the diameter, I'm just going to put that up here. And we're just going to cut that number in half. So my radius is going to be 12. So I'm going to plug in 12 here to the r and now solve it. Now I always like to rearrange for order of operations purposes in case the calculator doesn't perform the way that you need it to. Always put that radius first and do that, followed by that 4. Then we're going to do the pi, and then at the end we'll do the divided by 3. So the first thing you want to do when you're putting this into a calculator, this particular calculator looks like this. So we're going to do 12, and then once we put the 12 in, we are going to hit this button right here. So this button is your power button. You can hit that, and it's going to say, you can see it shows a little caret. And then you're going to put to the third power. So anything you want to put it to a power of, you just put that after it. So this is saying 12 to the third power. You get 1,728. So we have 1,728. And then we're going to multiply that times 4. And then we'll do a quick calculation after that. So times that by 4, we get 6,912. Now what I like to do is when I'm trying to do this in exact, I usually just check to see because sometimes the divided by 3 is not nice and it doesn't work out beautifully. Divide by 3 and see what happens. This comes out nicely, so I'm going to use that number and that's going to be my approximate. So it's going to be 2,304 and then we're going to throw the pi symbol after it. It's going to be inches cubed for the exact. And so that's my exact answer. And then all I'm going to do is take this 2304 times that by our pi button, which is going to be right here again, and we get our answer 7,238, and we're going to do 2.2 because the 2 after it isn't going to round that up, so we'll leave it at 0.2. And that would be my finalized answer for this question for the approximation of it. If you want more questions like these, follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, and that's going to be at U1Algebra. And don't forget to share, like, follow me for more. These are all going to be located in the volume playlist. And don't forget to save it so you can see it later. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.